Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tom yum fried rice. First, ensure you have 2 cups of cooked jasmine rice, ideally day-old for the best texture. Next, prepare 150 grams of your preferred protein, such as shrimp or chicken, cut into small pieces. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of authentic tom yum paste and 1 cup of mixed vegetables like mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. These are your core ingredients for a delicious meal. Before cooking, marinate your protein with 1 teaspoon of soy sauce for about 10 minutes to enhance its flavor. Finely chop 2 cloves of garlic and 1 shallot. Also, thinly slice 3 kaffir lime leaves and 1 stalk of lemongrass. These aromatics are crucial. Have 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar measured out, ready to add during frying. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large pan over high heat. Stir-fry the chopped garlic, shallots, and your marinated protein for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, add the tom yum paste, lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaves, stirring well to combine. Finally, incorporate the cooked rice and mixed vegetables, frying for 3 to 4 minutes until everything is heated through and well mixed. To finish, stir in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar, mixing thoroughly. Taste your fried rice and adjust the seasoning if necessary, aiming for a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a lime wedge for a burst of freshness. Serve your delicious tom yum fried rice immediately while it's hot and aromatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.